Hari Om. Before starting the Om run, we have to seek the blessings of Lord and Pujya Gurudev. So we'll do a little prayer. सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव. Hari Om. My pranams to all of you. Today is a blessed occasion where all of you are participating in the Om Run. First, let me express my gratitude to all the organizers for arranging such a beautiful occasion. Life can be compared to this Om Run. In a run, there is a beginning or starting point and there is an end point. And one has to start from the starting point. One cannot start anywhere else. And then one has to reach the destination. Otherwise, it is incomplete. In life also, there is a beginning point and end point. When we are running or we are walking, as the case may be, once we start, then we will face a lot of obstacles. That obstacle, it may be in terms of some hurdles on the way, or some distractions, or physical suffering, or mental ailment. But a runner should not give importance to all those things at all. Keep running. Actually, it is not really reaching the destination. It is remaining on the race course and still walking or running. That is the real success. So in life also, one should not be bogged down by different distractions or small difficulties. They are really not impediments at all. A person who goes on working with faith in God, does right things, have right kind of thoughts, surely that person will reach the destination. And after reaching the destination, then one can relax. And one can feel very happy, that inner joy one will experience. And then one can share that joy to others. In the process, all others, even though they have not participated in the run, they will also feel inspired. Same thing happens in life. Those people who have really reached the highest goal of life, or who are on the path to that highest destination, that is the completeness in life, they always inspire others. This occasion is exactly to create that inspiration and enthusiasm in the minds of people. Of course, all of you are helping in terms of monetary things, and that is a great thing which will help for different causes of the mission, social welfare projects and some needs in the local center, and all of you are participating and helping in these aspects, and I pray for God's blessings on all of you. All of you always be healthy, happy, and attain great heights in your life. Hari Om.
Hari Om, everyone. Welcome to our first Om Run Walkathon. Initially, this was just an idea, which turned out to be a wonderful, wonderful idea. thanks to all a super team of Sevaks and Sevikas. This and Gurudev's blessings, God's blessings. This has become a reality. This is our first Om Run Walkathon. Welcome to all of you. I'm really, really happy to see all of you here and participating, and everyone for helping out. It's just been a great experience. But first of all, I'd like to thank Arun Iyer, Balakrishnan Iyer, for leading this project and making a great progress. Thank you all. And I'd like to thank Mother Nature for cooperating with us and giving us a wonderful, wonderful day today. Good luck. Good luck to everyone. Thank you. Hari Om.
Hari Om. Good morning. Welcome to the 2014 Chinmaya Omkara's Om Run. We are doing this for the first time to promote health and well-being, not only spiritually but also physically. We are very excited to have around 150 people join on this nice Sunday morning on May 18th with the blessings of Gurudev and Guruji. And we hope to continue this tradition every year and hope for greater and greater participation to improve, again, the well-being and both the mental and physical well-being of everybody. And we're looking forward to a great success and look forward to all of you joining next time and being part of this. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Pat Cordray. I'm the race director for the Om Runners. This is their first 5K run, 2K walk. I'm glad to help them out. I hope it's a success for them, and I hope that they continue it in the future.
Welcome to the first Chinmaya Mission, Chinmaya Omkara 2K walk and 5K run. First time we're hosting this event. Hopefully it's going to be an annual event. Chinmaya Omkara is a spiritual studies center that helps kids and adults become better citizens in life. And it's a great organization, a great charity, and thank you all for supporting it. I want to thank all the sponsors and have a good time. Thank you.
Hari Om. Today we have the Chinmaya Omkara run. Every year Chinmaya Omkara does a fundraising event, and for this year we chose to do a run. We do have a 5K run and a 2K run, and we are very excited about this. This is a way for us not only to inculcate spirituality, but also kind of help the community get healthy too. So we are really excited about this run. We've been working really hard the last few months to put this run together. A lot of volunteers and a lot of people have worked hard to make this day possible. I'm grateful to all of those, and of course, without Gurudev's blessings and Guruji's blessings and all the saints' blessings, we would not have been able to do what we are doing today. I am grateful for that and for being able to be part of an organization like Chinmaya Omkara. Thank you.
Yes, my name's Ernie Dillon. I'm representing the American Legion in Lake County, and also Veterans Views radio show on WJLB every Friday morning, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And I'm here with my good friend from the Cherville Town Council who will be speaking, Tom Schmidt. And it's an honor to be here this morning, and it's exciting. In our radio show, going on our 6th year, what we do, the military veterans on our Veterans Views radio show, is we're healthcare providers also, like many of you are, and we provide services and information to help those returning from the military, and any spiritual guidance that they might need, any physical, psychological needs. And they have a lot of issues returning home from the military, and that's what we do on our radio show. We try to support those who need our help and our assistance. I'm also a retired Lake County councilman, and serving in that position was quite an honor too. But for all the healthcare providers and everyone participating this morning, we want to thank you for what you do in the community and everything that you give back, and is much appreciated. Without your work and effort, a lot of things would go unnoticed, especially what you do in the community and as healthcare providers, what you do. So on behalf of the American Legion and those serving in the military, we want to thank you, each and every one of you, for all that you're doing, and wish you a very successful event this morning. So I'd like to introduce my colleague, Tom Schmidt, from the Schererville Town Council, past president of the council. Tom's very active in the community and has been for many, many years. He represents your area here, Maryville, Schererville area. So, Tom, this is my good friend Tom coming into the camera here, and let's hear for Tom. And we want to thank Dr. Markham, his wife, and everyone at Cardiology Associates and all the healthcare providers again. So, Tom, 2 mics.
Thank you, Ernie. And yes, it's a real privilege to be here to speak to all of you. Again, my name is Tom Schmidt. I serve on the Schererville Town Council. I'm the past president of the Schererville Town Council and have been on the council for 8 years. And as a councilman, we do a lot of the same things that you do here in this organization. You help a lot of people. You try to help people. You try to help your organization. You try to help your children succeed and everything. And it's a wonderful organization that you have here. And I feel very honored to be here. When Dr. Markham and his wife asked me to come and speak, it was a privilege for me to come and speak and represent the municipalities and stuff that in this area. Your organization here is quite an organization, and you should be proud of what you do here with all the charitable events that you have and the people that you help here and the people that you help educate and help them succeed in life. And it's a real honor that you have so many people that back you in the medical field and stuff, because that's where the knowledge is at, and we appreciate what they do for all of you. Your run here today is a great event. It's a great idea to get the people out and for the exercise, first of all, and of course for the camaraderie that it brings to your group. So as a councilman here in the local area, I thank you for coming out, and thank you for supporting your organization, because your organization is a wonderful organization that helps a lot of people in this area, and I appreciate you being here. And thank you for letting me come and speak to you. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is the first attempt by Chinmaya Omkara, Northwest Indiana, on this marathon or walkathon, 5K run, 2K walk. I like to actually remember Hanumanji before doing any such courageous acts. So we'll just sing the glory of Hanumanji before we start. वीर हनुमान अति बलवान, राम नाम रसिया रे, हे प्रभु मन बसिया रे, हो तपोवन बसिया रे। वीर हनुमान अति बलवान, राम नाम रसिया रे, हे प्रभु मन बसिया रे, हो तपोवन बसिया रे। वीर हनुमान अति बलवान, राम नाम रसिया रे। Wishing you all Godspeed, like Mr. Bolt from Kenya, who lives in US. And now we are all here in US. And go Chinmaya Omkara. Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Dave Novak.
Good morning.
I would like to know how you heard about us at this event and what motivated you to come and participate today.
I think I found out about it in 2 places, once on Facebook and then through the Strider's website.
I see.
And I'm a local runner, and I live right beyond the church here in Crown Point, and I work here in Maryville, and I go by the church here twice a week, or twice a day. And I'm sponsored by Emergency this year, and part of my job is to spread the word about Emergency, and I volunteered and donated as many as they wanted so that everybody at least would get a packet, so everybody can at least try Emergency.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your involvement and your donations.
You're
We look
welcome.
forward to seeing you every year when we have these events.
And I'll see you out there when we're running.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
मार संडी मार रहा संसार, अब तू आने दे ललकार, तेरी तौबा है पतवार, कदम है तेरे हाहाकार, तेरी नस नस लोहा तार, तू है आग, बस तू भाग मिल्खा, ओ बस तू भाग मिल्खा, भाग मिल्खा, भाग 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 मिल्खा। सरिया मोड़ दे आग कदरिया, ओ कश्ती डूब जाने में ही है हस्ती, ओ जंगल आज शहरों से है तेरा दंगल, ओ मिल्खा भाग मिल्खा भाग मिल्खा भाग 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 मिल्खा। तू जा जब तू जाग मिल्खा, तेरा तो बिस्तर है मैदान, ओढ़ना धरती तेरी शान, तेरे सिरहाने है चट्टान, पहन ले पूरा आसमान, तू पगड़ी बांध मिल्खा, तू आग मिल्खा, खोल तू रथ के पहिए खोल, बना के चक्र सुदर्शन बोल, जंग के फीते कस के बांध, खुली है आज शेर की मान, गोली दाग मिल्खा, तू भाग मिल्खा भाग मिल्खा भाग मिल्खा भाग मिल्खा भाग मिल्खा भाग मिल्खा भाग 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 मिल्खा। तू जा जब तू जाग मिल्खा,
at the 5K race today. It was an excellent race, very well organized. A lot of volunteers. The course was well marked. A couple of water stops and very, very nice refreshments afterwards, and very good camaraderie out of all the runners and spectators. A lot of fun today. Thank you.
Yeah, the course was well marked. It was a very flat, fast course. Good water stops, great lead vehicle, and beautiful weather out on this great day. I couldn't ask for a better course to be able to run a really good time today. Sun shining and nice breeze at your back at times, and just turns into be one of my favorite 5K courses. Thank you.
Here's Kristen, the number one winner of today's race in the women's category, or number one all overall.
I thought the race was really good. I enjoyed myself. It was a perfect day and pretty happy about how everything went today.
Hi, I'm Sanjana, and I was in the Ohm Run. Hi, I'm Shri, and I was also in the Ohm Run. I really enjoyed running with my friends. Hi, I'm Shalini, and I'm in the Ohm Run too, and yeah, I enjoyed running. Hi, I'm Anaga, and I really enjoyed the Ohm Run with my friends, and even though I came last, I really don't care. I at least tried. I'm Ananya, and I was in the Ohm Run. It was a really great experience, and I want to come back next year and do it again.
Hi, I'm Shivani, and I was in the Ohm Run. And even though I came in fourth, I still don't care because I loved it.
And we also had a little friend here too. Follow me. Say hi. Say hi. Follow me. Well, she's too shy. She did the 2K walk. Okay, everybody say it was amazing. 1, 2, 3. It was amazing!
Hari Om. I'm Tanaz, and Chinmay Mission has been a great support to me. It's my second home. I love it. And today I'm going to do a laughter yoga program after the race to make people relax, have fun, and laugh for no reason with some of the exercises. So I hope people join me, and everyone is welcome to come. It's for all ages, for everyone. There's no problem. We just come to laugh without jokes. Thank you. Okay, guys, come closer. Hello, guys. Guys and gals. Yeah, guys and gals. Okay, this is laughter. That's fine. This is laughter yoga where we are going to laugh for no reason. It's very easy to laugh when everything is going fine, but I'll teach you how to laugh even when you have problems. So we are going to laugh minus all our problems, our circumstances, and we just laugh heartily for the health of it. We get healthier when you laugh. Laughter is the best medicine, correct? Yes. So now children laugh 300 times a day, but as adults laugh only 18 times a day. So my teacher, he said, why don't we be like kids, childlike? So let's clap our hands and with the acupressure points like this and say, ho, 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 ha, 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 ho, 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 ha, 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 ha. Okay, so we'll be doing that and mingle around and have eye contact, and keep going. Come on. Ho, ho, ha, 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 ho, ho, ha, 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 ho, ho, ha, 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 ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Very good, very good. Ho, ho, ha, 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 ho, ho. Okay. Everything for 1 minute only. So then he added some exercises which are very simple, and the names are there. So the first one is called the greeting laughter. So we're just going to shake hands and not say anything, but just the more you laugh from here, the healthier it is. Laugh from the belly. And first, fake it, it's okay. Even if you fake it, you get the benefit. So just laugh from here, try to push yourself. It's an aerobic workout. Okay, so let's greet each other, come on. Okay, now let's do the aloha laughter. It's standing. Let's do the aloha laughter. So what we do is we say, just watch what I do. Raise your hands and you're going to breathe nice. Because your belly breathing, so it's very healthy. So I will say aloha. Then I'll say hold your breath, hold your breath, hold your breath. And then go down and laugh. Ready, go. Second time. So now again, ho ho ha ha. Come on, ho ho ha ha. So now let's take a deep breath, and the breath should be from the belly, not from here. So let it come out. So don't worry about your waist. Like, just to practice, I'm saying. Naturally, if you can do it, take in and make it a balloon. Whoosh. Okay, now since we had a walkathon, let's make an exercise about the walkathon. So some of you walk, some of you run. And say, okay. Now after running, you are so thirsty, right? So imagine a bottle and say, So if you want to be happy permanently, just like Swamiji says, this is my way of saying, laugh for no reason. Keep laughing and you'll find all the happiness in the world. Right. And we have that laughter within us. So we are going to use that ability and that infinite nature, the ability to laugh for any reason, no problem. If you are sick, if you are sad, just start laughing like this and practice at home. And when you want to spread the laughter, just spread it as much as possible. And don't worry about the loudness, because the louder it is, but this is a safe thing. Don't laugh on Swamiji's face. So don't laugh at your boss or anything. Don't laugh at the teacher. This is just when we are in a safe environment, when we all are doing it as an exercise. Yeah, I'm not funny, I'm not a joker. I'm not saying jokes. Okay? And the next one is empty pocket. Very good. Now let's say. Very good. Yay! Very good. Very good. Yay! Now take a deep breath again. Balance. Too much of laughter is not good. And close your eyes and imagine there is joy all over the world. We don't see it, but we are full of joy within and outside. So spread joy. Down, Swamiji down. Yes, close your eyes. Close your eyes. When you close your eyes, you are with yourself. Otherwise, we are always searching for things and objects outside which don't give happiness. And we are always thinking of the future or of the past. But this teaches you how to live in the moment. Right? So this is the yoga part, and the breathing was the yoga part, not the floor exercise. Okay, down. Again, one up. As much as you can go down. Now the ending is like, close, come to, I'm making it short. So these are different exercises. Come closer now. This is the laughter meditation. So like, I won't say any exercise, just shut your eyes and just start giggling and let it go, let it go, let it go, let go. And let it become natural. Close your eyes, close your eyes. One more thing. Today, since Swamiji is there, I'm starting a project where it's called Share a Laugh. So if I make Swamiji laugh, I give him a card, and then if Swamiji makes someone else laugh, he passes on the card. So we are sharing a laugh, and we are building community. Got it? So keep giving and take from here. Yeah, then you pass it to your friends. So if you all want it, please take it from here. So share a laugh and bring joy to the world. Bring joy. All right, yes. Thank you so much to Swami.
पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम बोले श्री सत्यनाथ महाराज की